Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we have another new product from JILAE. This is their new and latest DIY kit. You can make your own lip gloss. So let's go ahead and dig into it, see what comes with it. Got this nice box that has their JILAE branding right there on the top of the box. And then there's also this embossed with their new logo J right there in the box logo. So let's go ahead and open this up and unbox it. So you got this nice thank you card from JILAE. And there's their contact information right there. And this one comes with a nice decal, the sticker. It's a little fox. And here it says, thank you for supporting my small business. Call this a nice tissue paper. And then they got their nice box logo sticker as well on this bubble wrap. You got 3 of this bottle of the oil for your lip. And then there's this pineapple flavor. This is Lauren oil. It's 3.7 milliliter or 0.125 flow ounce. And this one is made in USA. And it is gluten free. There's the barcode. And then the ingredient. Here's the expiration date. And come with this gel that you gotta mix it. There's 2 of this adapter, tubing adapter for your syringe. Come with one of this disposable syringe. This is 20 milliliter. It's a non-toxic, single use only. And then come with this nice bag. Oh, I forgot about come with 3 different color. This sparkling that you could mix it with your lip gloss. And then their branding is right there as well, JILAE. So after you mix it in the bowl with this gel, then you will decide to open this package, and you're going to determine which bottle that you're going to use with, also to fill up those oil that you just made. They come with 4 this different type of containers for your lips, and they also come with this tiny measuring spoon, a scooper. So you got 2 of this same. Okay, and then come with this tip for your lip, soft tip. And then they also come with this for the cap. 1, 2, 3, 4. To cap up the bottles. And this one's the popsicle style. Oh, this is the to unscrew it type. That's you pull this in or out, but this is the screw-on type. And here's another one. So you need to put those caps on top of there. So in case it falls down, the oil doesn't spill out. So you need to cut this and then cut the top portion, and then to insert the syringe so you could suck it up and then inject into the tube or the bottles. Okay, so yeah, this one's going to be a very fun and exciting project. I'll be doing a separate video on this. This is just an unboxing video, and I'll be including a link that's going to show you in the description, so you guys could check out this DIY kit and learn how to do it. And it is pretty fun to do it with your families, since the COVID-19 and everything right now going on. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.